What's up guys, Toki Designs here. So today I'll be telling you guys a little about my channel. So I did purchase Ender 3 Pro, my first 3D printer, about 2 weeks ago. And after assembling and doing some printing, I was like, might as well document my learning experience. So far the only upgrades we have are the glass bed, the orange springs, and then we just printed out a little filament guide, a knob for the extruder plate, and a GoPro mount for time-lapsing. And then we also have, in between the little bracket over here, a little spacer for this axis, the Z-axis. And so far we've had some pretty decent prints. So one of the first few prints I did make, you know, everyone loves Among Us. So I did print out these little Among Us keychains here. So it's a nice little gift to give to the nephews and little kids, and you know, pretty sure everyone else who plays Among Us would like to have this little gift. And then another thing that I printed were some Among Us cookie cutters. So we have a crewmate here, then we have a dead crewmate, and then a ghost. So I haven't calibrated any E-steps or anything like that, so it's basically just out of the box performance, besides just, you know, making sure the bed's level. Right now I'm using MakerBot PLA, I think, and then I do have some Gizmo dorks and some third-party eBay rolls as well. Another cool thing that I printed out was this Pikachu Kakashi. I did use some white primer, and I'm gonna set it up to paint in a bit, but overall I still need some tweaking here. Let's see here if you guys can see the little details. So there is some imperfections, you know, especially in the hair. The hair is the worst part of the print. But you know, the book did come out good. I still need to sand down a lot of the parts for where the supports were, and then maybe prime it one more time, but so far so good. So that's basically it. So this is the first episode on my channel here. Just doing a little Ender 3 Pro. You know, I can't really say how it compares to other printers because this was my first one. But as you can hear in the background, there is a second machine, but it's not the first one I got. And it's a little, it was secondhand, but we'll be doing a video about that soon. But so far so good. Ender 3 Pro, very easy to set up and very easy to assemble. There's a lot of Facebook communities that can help you out when you need. And you know, it's been a fun journey just printing out these little things and slowly learning. Right now I did find most of these STL files on Thingiverse, and right now we're trying to learn how to design our own prints. So the program I'm liking so far is Sharper 3D on the iPad. If you're a student, you get 1 year free, but you just gotta show them your transcripts. And then for computer, I'm probably gonna try out Tinkercad or something, but right now Sharper 3D seems like the most easiest for me because I have an iPad and the Apple Pen, and I usually just draw on that tablet as well, so it's kind of familiar and not too shabby. So it's the first video, and then I'm just gonna add a little time lapse of one of the bigger prints that I made a couple days ago. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on my journey.